Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this rolling whiteboard that we have here in the office. We've had it for a while and it's been holding up really well. It's a little dirty here, but it does clean off well with a wet cloth or sponge. It's very easy to write on. It has these knobs on the side that you can adjust the angle if you want. And it is double-sided, so you can write on both sides, flip it over to make it easier for you to get more information on there. It's pretty sturdy and comes with this accessories tray that you can detach if you want to, but that's nice to hold markers and erasers and things of that sort. It has these rubber wheels that you can lock into place. They are very smooth and move nicely on the floor. You just simply lock it into place with your foot. You can flip it up or push it down. It's easy to put together. Again, it's fairly sturdy and you can roll it around easily. So this is ideal for home, office, anywhere where you might want to write on it and present or teach, and it's easy to keep clean and wipe off. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.